In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subreddit you created, or at least get it as close as possible to being gone. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Reddit does not actually allow you to fully delete a subreddit once it exists. According to Reddit's official policy, communities are considered permanent shared spaces. That means there isn't a single delete button that completely erases it from the platform. However, you can make your subreddit effectively invisible and inactive to almost everyone, which for most people works just like deleting it. I'll walk you through how to lock it down by making it private, and then how to abandon it completely so you're no longer involved with it in any way. Start by opening the subreddit you created. Make sure you're logged into the account that has moderator permissions for this community, otherwise you won't see the options you need. Once you're on your subreddit's main page, look for the Mod Tools section. On desktop, this is usually in the sidebar or at the top of the page. Click on Mod Tools to open your moderation dashboard. Inside Mod Tools, find and click on General Settings. This area controls the basic behavior and appearance of your community. From there, look for the section labeled Privacy and Discovery. This is where you decide who can see and join your subreddit. Under Privacy and Discovery, you'll see your current community type. It might be set to Public or Restricted. Change this community type to Private. Setting your subreddit to private means that only approved members can see or participate in it. For everyone else, it will essentially disappear from search and from general browsing on Reddit. Once you've switched it to private, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button or similar confirmation option and click it. Your subreddit is now locked down and no longer open to the public. If you want to go a step further and completely walk away from it, go back to your subreddit's main page. Open the community menu, then click on the three dots icon, which usually opens more options. From that menu, select Leave. This removes you from the community as a member. If you're the only moderator and owner, leaving it means you've effectively abandoned the subreddit. It will still exist on Reddit servers, but it will be private, inactive, and no longer associated with you in any visible way.